I found this wrapping paper or brown mailing paper at the Dollar Tree and a wooden dowel. I took the dowel and put it inside the tube of the wrapping paper to mark off with a pen the length that I'm going to need. And then took a handsaw and removed the part of the dowel so I had the right measurement. I found this stencil at Michael's that says Home Sweet Home. And I used some black Wise Owl paint and a foam brush. And did a very dry application and more of a dabbing motion for my stencil so I had no bleed through. Now guys, you can find the Wise Owl paint at chalkitupfancy.com. And be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel at Chalk It Up Fancy so you can catch all our videos. This dabbing motion is a little bit more time consuming, but the results always come out great for us. We found all these stencils at Michael's. Now, because of the size of the wrapping paper, I'm just going to show you one end of the dowel so you can see how we put a hanger on it. We took one end and wrapped it about 3 times and tied it. We put the wood dowel inside the wrapping paper and then brought the twine to the other side and repeated the wrapping on the other side. And then this kept the wrapping paper from sliding off to the left or to the right. And we took these little clothespins and clipped them on so that the paper would not hang or roll out. Guys, hope you enjoyed this. Thank you so much for watching.